Master adjective-noun collocations for formal writing. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into an important topic that can truly elevate your English writing skills: adjective-noun collocations. In the realm of formal writing, using the right collocations can significantly enhance the precision and fluency of your language. So, let's get started. In English, when an adjective and a noun pair up and frequently occur together, we call this an adjective-noun collocation. It's about understanding which adjectives naturally fit with certain nouns. For instance, we say, heavy raw not, strong raw or deep thought, not heavy thought. Mastering these collocations is crucial in formal writing, as they can enhance the level of your language, making it sound more natural and professional. Now let's dive into some common adjective-noun collocations you're likely to encounter in formal writing. Fundamental differences. When something is fundamental, it's basic and important. When you're highlighting significant distinctions, use this. Detailed analysis. Analysis should be thorough, so pair it with detailed. For instance, the detailed analysis of the data revealed some interesting trends. Considerable attention. This means a lot of attention. For example, the issue has received considerable attention in the media. Major factor. Used when something is a primary or significant influence. Like, economic instability was a major factor in the political change. Take some time to familiarize yourself with these. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become. Learning collocations might seem overwhelming at first, but with the right approach, it becomes more manageable. Here are some tips. 1. Read extensively. Reading widely, especially academic texts, newspapers, and formal letters, can expose you to common collocations. 2. Use a collocation dictionary. These dictionaries can provide you with a list of words that often go together, which can be incredibly helpful. 3. Practice writing. The more you write, the better you'll get at using these collocations. Try to include them in your essays, reports, or any formal writings. Remember, mastering collocations takes time, but it's well worth the effort. And that's a wrap on adjective-noun collocations in formal writing. We hope you found this video helpful and encouraging as you continue your journey in mastering the English language. Remember, the key to learning is consistency. So, keep reading, keep writing, and keep practicing these collocations. You're well on your way to becoming a more skilled and fluent English writer. Until next time, happy learning!